Okay, so real talk. You worked all year. Every paycheck, money disappeared before it even hit your account. And then April comes around and TurboTax is like, you owe $900. Bro, what? I've worked in accounting for 20 years, and I've seen this face more times than I can count. So today, I'm going to explain exactly why the IRS is coming for you, and the fix that takes literally 5 minutes. First, here's how this whole thing actually works, because nobody explains it. The U.S. tax system is pay as you go. You don't owe taxes once a year. You owe them all year long. Your employer takes money out of every check and sends it straight to the IRS. It never even touches your account. Think of it like you're at a Taylor Swift concert. You didn't pay for the whole ticket at once. It was split into installments all year. April 15th is just the reconciliation moment. Did you pay enough? Cool, maybe you get some back. Did you lowball it? The IRS is sliding into your DMs like, hey, you owe us. A refund means you overpaid all year. You gave the government an interest-free loan. A balance due means you underpaid. Neither is automatically bad. What matters is accuracy. So why do people underpay? 5 reasons. Reason 1. Your W-4 was set up wrong. Remember when you started your job and HR handed you a stack of paperwork on day 1, and you were just trying to figure out where the bathroom was? Yeah, the W-4 was in that stack. It tells your employer how much to withhold. Most people fill it out in 3 minutes, guess on half the questions, and never touch it again. If you guessed wrong, every single paycheck has been withholding the wrong amount. That adds up. Reason 2. You had a side hustle. This is the biggest one I see with people right now. DoorDash, Fiverr, selling on Depop, Etsy, streaming, whatever your thing is, if someone paid you without taking taxes out first, that money came in clean. And the IRS? They know about it. The 1099 goes to them too. If you made $5,000 on the side this year, you might owe $1,500 on just that. Nobody told you. Now you know. No cap. Reason 3. You got a raise or a bonus. You got a raise. You understood the assignment. But here's what happens behind the scenes. Your raise pushed you into a higher tax bracket for the full year. Your employer was still withholding at your old rate for months. And bonuses? Often taxed at a flat 22%. But your actual bracket might be higher. The math wasn't doing what you thought it was doing. Reason 4. You had multiple jobs. 2 part-time jobs. Each one acts like it's your only gig. Each one withholds like your total income is just what they pay you. But the IRS adds it all together, and suddenly your combined income puts you in a bracket that neither employer was withholding for. It's giving chaos, but fixable chaos. Reason 5. Life changed, and you didn't update anything. Got a new job? Moved states? Started dating someone you're now filing jointly with? Had a kid? Your withholding is still based on what you told your employer, maybe years ago. Life hit different, but your W-4 didn't get the memo. Okay, here's your action plan. 3 steps. Takes less time than scrolling Instagram. Step 1. IRS Withholding Estimator. Go to irs.gov, search Tax Withholding Estimator. It's free. Put in your income, filing status, any side money. It spits out exactly how much should come out of each paycheck. Link is in the description. Step 2. Update your W-4. Take that number to HR or log into your payroll app. ADP, Workday, Gusto, whatever your company uses. There's a line on the W-4 called 4C, where you can add extra withholding per paycheck. If you're short $1,200 over the year and you get paid bi-weekly, that's $46 extra per check. less than a DoorDash order. Step 3. If you have side income, open a tax savings account today. Every time gig money hits, immediately transfer 25 to 30% to a separate account. Label it, "Not my money." Because it's not. That's the IRS's cut. Don't spend it. Don't touch it. It's not a flex fund. And set a calendar reminder for July 1st. Run the estimator again at mid-year. You've got 6 months of paychecks left to fix it. This one habit is the move. Real quick, because I know someone's about to @me, a big tax refund is not the W people think it is. Getting $3,000 back in April means you overpaid $250 a month all year. That's money you could have had. Could have put in a high-yield savings account, invested it, paid off debt. Instead, you gave it to the government for free, and they gave it back like they did you a favor. The goal is to owe basically nothing and get basically nothing back. That's the slay. That's accuracy. All right, your action step from today. Open irs.gov right now and run the withholding estimator. Free, 5 minutes. Could save you hundreds next April. If this was helpful, subscribe. I drop financial workshops every week, and I promise they hit harder than your accounting class did. Drop your situation in the comments. W-2, 1099, both, total chaos. I read every single one. See you in the next one.